In today's video, we're going to look at doubles and near doubles to see how doubles can help us solve near doubles. First, let's do a review of doubles facts. So remember that the word double means two of the same thing. So here's some examples of doubles facts. 5 plus 5, it's a doubles fact because we're adding two of the same number, 5 and 5. Another example would be 2 plus 2, 8 plus 8, and 10 plus 10. Notice that both digits we're adding are the same exact number. What other doubles facts can you think of? Now that we reviewed what doubles facts are, we're going to learn about near doubles, or doubles plus 1. So here are some examples of doubles plus 1 or near doubles. 5 plus 6, 3 plus 2, 9 plus 8, and 10 plus 11. These are near doubles or doubles plus 1 because it's 1 away from the doubles fact. We can look at the lower number, add 1, and have the sum. So let's take a closer look at these. Let's take a closer look at this first example. So if I look at 5 plus 6 as a near doubles fact or doubles plus 1, what I'm going to do is I'm going to look at which number is smaller. So looking at 5 plus 6, I know that 5 is the smaller number. So I'm going to use the doubles fact of 5 plus 5 to help me solve. So looking at my 5, my smaller number, I can use 5 plus 5. Well, I know that 5 plus 5 is 10. So if I'm doing one more, because in order to get to 6, I need to add one more to 5. So 5 plus 5 plus one more is 10. In my mind, I'm thinking that if 5 plus 5 is 10, I need one more to get to that 6. So 5 plus 6 equals 11. Let's look at another example. 3 plus 2. So again, to do my adding with near doubles, I'm going to find my smaller number. Looking at 3 and 2, I know that 2 is my smaller number. So think about which doubles fact I would make to help me solve 3 plus 2. You're right, it's 2 plus 2. If I choose that number, a doubles fact would mean both numbers I'm adding are the same number. So thinking about this, I know that 2 plus 2 is 4, but I'm not adding 2 plus 2. I'm adding 2 plus 3. I know that 3 is just one more than 2, so all I have to do to figure that out is add one more. So in my brain, I'm thinking 2 plus 2 is 4. I'm 1 away, so I just need to add more. So if 2 plus 2 is 4, so then 3 plus 2 is 5. I just have to add one more to that sum. Let's take a look at another example together. So right now I have 8 plus 9. So think right now, which one would I make the doubles fact out of? 8 is the smaller number, so I'm going to make my doubles fact from my 8. Write down what doubles fact you would use to help you with 8 plus 9. The doubles fact you could use would be 8 plus 8. If I know 8 plus 8, then I can help myself know 8 plus 9. So 8 plus 8 is 16. I'm adding 8 plus 9, which is only one more than 8 plus 8. So I add one more to the end. 8 plus 8 is 16, plus one more is 17. So in my head, I'm thinking 8 plus 8 equals 16, so 8 plus 9 is 17. It's just one more. As you're working today, you'll see some examples of problems with some cubes that can help you as well. So the different colors of cubes can help give you hints on what doubles fact to use as well. If I look at this set of cubes, I see that there are 4 cubes on the top and they're all blue. And I see that there are 5 cubes on the bottom, 4 of which are blue and 1 is green. So looking at this, I can see where my doubles fact would be. The blue ones make 4 plus 4. So thinking in my head, I know 4 plus 4 is 8. I only have one more than that. So 4 plus 5 equals 9. This is the same thinking, it's just using a different visual representation. Take a look at one more example. Look at the purple cubes for your doubles fact, and then the green one to help you make your new equation. What doubles fact would you use to help yourself solve this? You can pause the video now and write down your doubles fact. Now that you've written your doubles fact down, we're going to do it together. I can see that there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 purple cubes on the top, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 purple cubes on the bottom. So a doubles fact that I could use would be 6 plus 6, which I know is 12. Now pause the video and write what equation you could solve with all of the cubes together. Now that you've written your new equation, see if yours matches mine. I see 6 on the top, and I see 7 altogether on the bottom with 6 purple and 1 green. So my new fact is 6 plus 7. If I already figured out that 6 plus 6 is 12, I only have that one more green one. So if 6 plus 6 is 12, then 6 plus 7 is 13. It's just one more. As usual, please watch the video as many times as you need to completely understand the concept. And if you get stuck partway through your independent work today, please do go back and watch or ask a friend for some help.